All right, this will be a quick cold start and run of my 1965 Dodge Coronet. Got to start by turning the battery on. Little on-off switch there. Because the battery's in the trunk. I've got the choke actually hooked up to the heater cable, so that is the choke right there that runs out to the carburetors. Down here, we got the key and our ignition switch. So the key will turn the car on. You can see, if you can see that, the coolant is cold. Got 12 volts. That's the key off. Key on, just under 12. Good battery. And then there's our ignition switch right there. All right, see if, well, it'll start. See how quickly it starts. There you go. Good oil pressure. High idle. It. 65 Dodge Coronet. Alright, we're back in the car. You see the coolant is just coming off the peg there, temperature wise, just starting to come up. And then this is how you disengage the choke.